Hello, everyone. Hi. We're just gonna wait for a couple more minutes. Maybe some people might be late, but we'll start pretty soon. Yes. Oh, okay. Thought someone had their hand up. Anyways, it's 12:05. I think we should get started. I'm gonna turn on my camera. Hello. Nice. Okay. Mahawk, I'm just gonna share my screen. Is that all right? Okay. So one. Oh, can everyone see that? Okay, good. Sorry, I have my computer here as well as a monitor here. So if you see me glancing this way, I'm looking at a monitor over here. Okay, let's get started. Hello everyone. This is Schulich Ignite, the Saturday session, and this is session zero. This is like our introduction. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, oops. Okay. So I just want to start off with like a disclaimer. So these meetings are recorded and we will be uploading these sessions on YouTube. Of course, you can access them on our website, but we may also be taking screenshots. So if you unmute to talk or if you turn on your camera during the meeting, you sort of give us consent to use that video and audio, and we'll post that on our YouTube. So that's just our legal disclaimer. But later on in the session, we'll have like breakout rooms, and those are not recorded, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so this is the session overview. For session zero, we're not doing too much coding or no coding at all. We're just gonna talk about what Schulich Ignite is, the program. There are prizes involved, so that's pretty interesting. Our contact information. There is a end of session gala to show off your final projects and getting the code environment set up. So, who are we? Well, Schulich Ignite is like a university-run club at University of Calgary, and we're trying to make coding fun and also make coding resources like accessible for all high school students. And it's a free program. And additionally, you don't have to be from Calgary or at the University of Calgary to learn this. You could be somewhere else. You could be the advantage of this program is that you could participate in a remote area. And our goal is to ignite a passion for programming, much like the name of our club. So stick around. And since we're on this slide, I just want to introduce myself a little bit. So if you don't see my name's Adrian. I'm a first year engineering student at U of C, and I've mainly had some experience with Python, and I've done some projects in machine learning and mainly presented those at the Calgary Youth Science Fair if you're involved with that. And give it off to Mahawk.
So, hello everyone, I'm Mehak, and I will be the VP executive for this session. So, if you have any questions, well, the first person you should go to is your mentor. All of you should have received an email where you were told your groups and your specific mentor. So, go to them if you have any questions regarding Ignite points, regarding Zoom links, or anything like that. But if you don't see your mentors in the session, maybe they're absent or something, you can come to me. Okay, yeah, and I'll pass it back to Adrian.
Okay, great. Anyways, nice to meet you all. That's great. Okay. Oh, can everyone still see my slides? Okay, great. So before we begin, what really is software engineering and its benefits? Like why is it valuable that you're part of this program? Well, software engineers, they're involved in a variety of things. Could range from machine learning, game development, or mobile development, and then making websites. And software engineering and learning how to program is very useful nowadays because everything that we touch, like from your phone to the TV to the computer, one software engineer has at least taken a part in its development. So learning how to program and learning more about software engineering will even if you might not be pursuing software engineering, it'll be very beneficial to you in the future and in the long run. Okay, the program overview. So aside from session zero today, we're gonna have 8 interactive and fun sessions every Saturday at around 12 o'clock. And this program is mainly taking an exercise and project oriented approach. So I mean, I'm gonna be teaching some of the concepts, but it's very hands-on. So you get to write some of the code yourself. And since we'll be making projects, creativity is highly valued. And these workshops, like I said, is very hands-on experience with programming. So across the future sessions, this is just our syllabus, our course outline. So session one is just going to be variables. Then we'll move on to operators. Then in session three, it gets more interesting with like the if statements. And in session four, lists, loops, functions. And then in session seven and eight, that's when you'll have like it'll be a bit more lax. And this is where you'll have some time to start to work more on your projects for the gala at the end of the session. And if you haven't looked at it, this is our website. There's a QR code here. Maybe you could post it in the chat. I'm not too sure, but that's our website. Okay. And this session, Schulich Ignite, I mean, there's exercises and projects, but another thing that we're gonna use here are these Ignite points. And Ignite points are supposed to encourage like class engagement or your own engagement. And Ignite points, they are collected, and the more that you do, say like consistent attendance, answering quick sessions, submitting the exercises and challenges, and as well working on your project, these your Ignite points are gonna culminate into some leaderboard. So it's a little bit competitive, but the top three people who have the most Ignite points get to win some prizes like some gift cards or some of these selected or some of these programming courses. I think I actually took this one right here, Python for Data Science. That one was pretty good. So try to be engaged. Try to do all. No, you might not do all of the exercises, but try to do a lot of the exercises to get the most out of this program. Yep. So there's gonna be like in a spreadsheet, and that's sort of like the leaderboard. You could see how many points you have, how many points you receive for the submissions, like some of your exercises or projects. There's some frequently asked questions, and we recommend to read those. Read about projects, and we could also post this spreadsheet in the chat if you want the link here. And I'm not so sure if you've looked at our Discord, but we do have a Discord, and you could also ask more about these Ignite points on that Ignite points channel, or ask your assigned mentor. Okay. And there's another thing that we want to mention here, which is like your streak score. I don't know if you've done like Duolingo. I don't know if you've done something like Duolingo where you have like a certain streak, but the longer or the more consistent you are with your attendance, you'll get like 5 points, and then it'll increase and increase. So for the first attended session, like I think today or next session, you'll get 5 points, and then if you keep on going you'll get 5 points more than you did the last session. So yeah, just something like this. So just an example, Anna has attended these 5 sessions consecutively. So she got 5 points here, 10 points, 15, 25, but she didn't attend session 6, so it kind of resets right here. So aside, like I mentioned earlier, there's exercises that you might have to submit, or projects that you'll be working on, but we also have these like quick questions that are going to be asked mid-lecture when I'm talking. These are just worth 10, 20 points each. You don't have to worry about the Thursday session, but for online sessions, we're going to be doing it answers through a poll on Zoom, and they're just multiple choice. It's pretty chill. And at the end, typically at the end of session, we also have these exercises and weekly challenges. These are worth 50 points each. And these weekly challenges are uploaded every day around Monday, and you could see that on our Instagram page. So make sure to follow that. There's a lot of info. There's a lot of we post like different, I guess, opportunities. If yeah, and if you need to submit a program or oh sorry. Yep, and most of your programming is going to be done over a platform called Trinket, and so you might there's going to be like a submission form for that. And Pythonic Lava and Bug Busters are like different levels of exercises, and there will also be different forms of submission forms for that. So these are the weekly challenges, and this is what they look like in the past, but it's going to look a bit different this session, this semester. And again, please join our Discord. This is where you can like ask us like questions outside of class time, and this is where like you could show off any cool projects you're making. So I think yeah, there you go. It's posted in the chat. And then more on Discord, you could sign up for a private group channel. So like I believe in the email you have you've I think Mehak already emailed like which groups you're part of. Uh, Maybe check your email, and then you could already like join it through this command here. So yeah. And another important thing. So after the 8 weeks, I'm hoping that you learned enough Python to develop your own independent project, and I hope that your final project, you'll be presenting it at the end of session gala. And I believe Mihawk, is it online or in person? I forgot.
So the gala will be in person this semester, but we will have an option to join online. So if you can't make it, if you're like in another province, don't worry about it.
Yeah, so be in person this semester. And it's an opportunity to not just only show off your final projects, but you'll also learn there'll be like guest speakers from industry professionals who are already in software engineering. And we've had software engineers from like Google, the fan companies, Microsoft attending and speaking about their experience. So yeah, let's get started, guys. We're gonna set up our Python environment. Okay. So this is where we're going to use something called trinket and processing Python. And in this session, we're going to learn Python. And Python is a very popular language, the fourth most used and third best loved programming language in the world. And Python is used a lot in particular with data science, machine learning. It's also used in, I believe, like back end web development, and you could create a variety of stuff with it. So I hope this session here will give you a great fun foundations to start exploring Python on your own. But we're gonna use to do most of our coding, we're gonna use a platform called Trinket. And we don't have to download anything. It's online. So uh, if you want, I want everyone to get signed up. Maybe you could paste that in the chat. Not too sure, but once we'll also have sort of like breakout rooms where you'll be like with your mentor, and it'll be a bit more like, I guess, private or intimate, where you can like ask more questions. But everyone, if you could join trinket.io. Yep, first sign up and log in at trinket.io. Yep, it's posted in the chat. And maybe I'll take a couple more minutes, or I'll wait a couple more minutes so you could get signed up. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna escape here. I'm oh Time Jeep said trying to do the block command for Sunday. I think I think Mihawk has more. Oh, Sunday group one. Oh, sorry. Okay. This session is actually called Saturday. This is the Saturday session. It's just that Sunday. It's just that we're having this odd session on Sunday because of the meet and greet type of thing. So do the Saturday group for when you're signing up on Discord. Yeah. And if I think if you have any more problems with that, you could either message Mihawk or just in the general Discord, I think, if you're having problems. Oh, do we use? Oh, okay. Okay. So I'm assuming everyone's signed up. So yeah, Ranveer, we're gonna use Python down here. I don't know. Yeah, Python. So I signed up on Trinket. We're up here. Go to home. Okay. And then we're gonna add. Yep. You can get started. We're gonna add our new trinket. I'm gonna use Python. So everyone got that? Python. What is the difference between Python and Python 3? I'm I think well, there's also different versions of Python. Like there's Python 2, Python. I think Trinket has its own version. I'm a bit unsure, but Python 3 and Python have like a different, I guess, functionalities. There's like a difference between them. Just minor differences. Yeah, there we go. You guys answered it in the chat. So I'm assuming everyone got that set up. And just a couple things to note here. You could also name your file by tapping you can just do intro script. We're not gonna do so much coding today, and then you could save it there. I hope everyone got that set up. Let's go back to the slideshow. Yep. So I just renamed my file. Make sure to save your work. Goodness. And in the oh, let's go back here. And this terminal on the left here, that's where you run. This is where you write your code, and this is where and then you press the run button to see your results onto the right over here. Additionally, you could share it, you could link it, whatever. And that might be helpful when you're submitting your exercise solutions or sharing your final project, right? Yep. Okay, there's another thing that we're going to cover today, which is Top Hat. And this is where we'll ask some of the quick questions as well. So if you could maybe link that in the chat. But Top Hat, I'm going to bring it up here. Top Hat is like some sort of it's just a platform where we'll ask like some basic questions like, oh, what's the solution or what's the error with this code snippet and whatnot. Yeah, it's posted in the chat. I want you guys to create your account name using your first and last, and please use the one as your Zoom account and the one you're getting and the email that you're using for Schulich Ignite. That's the join link. And remember that when we're choosing sort of the school, when you're signing up, the institution, choose University of Calgary, or else there might be some errors. So just keep that in mind. I'll wait a bit for everyone to get that set up. Has everyone joined, hopefully? Okay. Let's see. Um, can I just get like a text in the chat if you guys manage to sign up? Oh, okay. Oh, not quite. Okay, yeah, we could wait. Access code to join for Trinket again. You could just use your, there is no, oh, okay, that's all right. There is no access code for Trinket. So, Trinket is, I'm just gonna go back to those slides. Trinket, you just join it. You just join using your email. So you don't have to worry about any access code. Yeah. Mm. Oh, sorry. Yeah. You don't have to join a class for Trinket. You could just create your own account and that'll be fine. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. We're gonna go into a quick breakout room to see if like you got that working. Mehak, how do you, I'm sorry, I'm not too sure how to go into the breakout room.
How about we go into breakout rooms at the end? If there's any issues right now, you can just put them in the chat and we'll do a quick troubleshooting right now.
Oh, okay then. Okay. I guess we'll skip that. Let's do a top hat. I'm gonna try try starting this. Okay. Does everyone is everyone like joined in top hat? Oh, what? Okay. Has everyone joined in the class? Okay, great. How should I register in Top Hat? Just use the one that you receive most of your Schulich Ignite emails from. Yeah. Oh, a question? Samrawit?
Yep, I couldn't find my school's name.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I gotta mention everyone use University of Calgary when you're signing up.
Okay.
University of Calgary.
Can I scan the PR code?
Oh, sorry. There we go. It's also linked in the chat if
Okay.
yeah, but there we go. You could scan it. I'm gonna wait maybe like 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes. Hopefully everyone can get that set up. Oh yeah, Frank, you have a question? You have your hand raised up. Frank. Okay then.
Um,
Yep.
uh, I kind of missed the steps. I'm sorry, can you explain it again?
Oh, for Top Hat?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, so for Top Hat, just there's you could scan this QR code. You could also click the link in the chat. And
Okay.
then there's a join link. There's like a join code, and use the email that you signed up for Schulich Ignite, and make sure to use University of Calgary for the school code, the school name.
Okay. Or I'm confused. What do I do? Okay.
Uh, sorry, can you ask that question again? So you just want to know how to sign up for Top Hat?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We could just go to this website that we have here. It's also in the chat if you scroll a bit up.
Okay, the chat. The chat. Um, okay. Alright. Okay.
Frank, if you look at the if you look at the Top Hat link, it's in the chat right
Yeah.
now.
I'm in, but when I got in, there's no link or like that. Uh-huh. Wait a second.
See, we got around 11 students, so that's good.
Okay. So did I create my account?
Yes, you do. Yeah.
All right, so I click under student.
Yep.
All right, okay. So university.
If it's getting too confusing, how about I share my screen and I can go through the
Sure.
steps from 0 to 10 so that everyone knows which website to use and where to go?
Okay.
Adrian, can you stop sharing your screen and I'll share mine?
Yep. Sorry.
No worries.
Um,
Oh, sorry.
Calgary. Wait, what? No. How did it get Farmingdale? Okay. Calgary.
I forgot this one. Sorry. Oops.
How do I use the keyboard? Let's see. Can't. Um,
Sorry, Mahak, what do you press again to stop sharing your screen? Oh, near the flip bar. Okay, sorry.
right.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
University of Calgary. Hmm? No.
Okay, so everyone that is still confused, please look at my screen. So what's happening here is you can just search up Top Hat sign in, and once you hit on Top Hat, it should take you to this page. Please make sure that you select the University of Calgary as your school. So you can just search up the University of Calgary and you should be able to see an option. And once you sign in, you can create an account from this option. Once you go to create an account, you go, I'm a student, and then you sign up. Again, when you search up for a school, please again use University of Calgary. Once you
Okay.
select your school, you can use whatever email you want. I can use just the one that I always use. And
Okay.
then you should be able to do a verification process with your email. If that makes sense, we will now move on. If there's still people who don't understand or don't know how to go about this, we will go into breakout rooms and then you can ask your mentors about this.
Okay. Okay.
I'll pass it back to Adrian and we can continue with the lecture.
Thank you. Frank, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to mute you for now, but we're gonna move
Okay.
on. Sorry. Okay. I'm gonna go back to share my screen. Okay. Can everyone see that? Yeah. Nice. Okay, we're gonna get started with our first top hat question. Let's go to the content. Nice. Could everyone see that? Oops. What is your name? Just put it down. Oh, can you try responding in the top hat, not in the chat? Oh, Nayab, this is the Saturday one.
Adrian, I think the one you opened is the wrong join code, so you might have to like switch out. Yes, we are in the 239170 join code. So you'll just have to switch over to that one. If you want, I can open the question right now for this
Oh, can you?
session.
Sorry.
Yeah, for sure. Give me 1 second. Okay, can you guys see the question now? Perfect. We have one person saying they cannot see the question. So for troubleshooting this, please make sure you have the correct join code. So again, once again, it's 239170. Make sure that the school you joined with is the University of Calgary. And if there's still any other problems persisting, you don't have to worry about these questions. These are not marked. This is just to make sure that everybody's getting into the top hat. So once we head into the breakout rooms, we can troubleshoot with your mentors.
Okay. How do you raise Oops. Okay. Okay. Wait, why is it silent? University of Calgary. It's not popping up.
I think that was enough time for this question. So we're going to move on to the next one. The next question is, what are you looking forward to in these sessions? So you can tell us what you want to learn, if you're looking forward to making friends, or if you're looking forward to making a certain project. The question is assigned, so you should be able to see it now.
Hi. I still can't get in.
Okay, so Frank, don't worry about these questions. Once again, these are not marked. This is only to make sure that you get in. So if there's any problems with signing up to, let's say, Trinket, Top Hat, Discord, we will go into breakout rooms and you can ask your mentor then. So don't worry about it right now. Does that make sense?
Yep. Thank you.
Okay, perfect.
How do I mute? Okay, there.
Oh, I'm getting a lot of answers. These are anonymous, so I'm just gonna read these out so all of us mentors and the lecture lead know what we're looking forward to. So some people say, I'm looking forward to learn how to code in any capacity to create or begin to create a game. Perfect. That's exactly what we're gonna do. So your final projects are gonna look very much like mini games. So we hope you'll get to learn that. I'm excited to expand my knowledge in programming in general. I'd like to get a handle on the basics for now. This is the perfect course for that. So we'll go, like Adrian told us earlier, we'll go all the way from what are variables to creating our own mini game. Learning how to code, how to use computer languages, anything at all. Whoa, okay. Okay, I think we have enough answers, so I'm gonna unassign this question now. Oh, people are still answering. Let's do a poll. Do people still want to answer? Or should I move on to the next question? Next, move on. Okay, let's move on. Hmm. Okay, so this is a general question. We don't have this set up this term, but basically there's two groups. So it's Pythonic Lava and Bug Busters. So Bug Busters, select the option Bug Busters if you're like completely brand new to coding, and you can select Pythonic Lava if you know like a little bit, like you know some of the basics, you can pick Pythonic Lava. We won't do anything with this, like you'll all learn the same content and we'll like try to help you learn everything together as a group. But this is just to get an idea of like how many people are completely brand new and how many people like have previous experience. Okay, I'm gonna assign the last question and you should be able to see it now. Okay, we got some responses. Uh, we have a lot of complete beginners. That's amazing because this content is designed exactly to get you to like a level where you can like take more advanced courses. We also have a bunch of people who already know the basics of coding, so that's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to all the final projects we get. I'm going to give you guys 30 more seconds for this question, and then we'll go back to the lecture content. Okay, I think that was enough time, so I'm going to unassign the question, and I'll pass it back to Adrian for the rest of the lecture.
Hey, great, thank you. I'll go back, share my screen again. Okay, nice. Yeah, troubleshooting, we could handle that through the breakout rooms next, but yeah, we're just gonna play like some icebreaker games, play some games, get to know your mentor and I guess your little cohort of the people you have. And yeah, you could ask some questions. So uh, I believe I I I believe we could go into breakout rooms now. Wait a sec.
Yeah, Adrian, you should be able to see a breakout rooms option, and
Yep.
then, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open all the rooms.
So please join the rooms according to the email you got. In the email, you were told what group number you're in, and you can join those accordingly for the mentors as well. Can I join a breakout room? So we just opened the rooms and you should be able to see a little pop-up that says join breakout rooms, or there should be like a little icon that says breakout rooms at the bottom of your toolbar. If you click on it, you should be able to see like all the breakout rooms. Yeah, Frank, what's the question?
Hi, I finished setting up my account and I clicked join a course. What's the course's name?
So you can join the course using a code number. So the code number is 239. I'll put it in the chat, 239170. So if you put this number in, you'll be able to see Saturday Beginner.
Okay, thank you. Okay, where's Right.
Okay, I just got a message that says I cannot look at the breakout rooms. I changed some options. Are you able to see them now? Okay, perfect. So yeah, use this time to get to know your mentors. You guys don't have to worry about any lecture content right now. Just like troubleshoot any problems, play some games, get to know your peers, your group, have some fun. So if I am in group 1, I join breakout room 1. Yes, that's what you do. Not on Top Hat. This is just the breakout rooms on Zoom. So once again, you should have received a pop-up that lets you join any breakout room you want, or you can go to the toolbar on your Zoom, where it says chat and participants and all that. There should be an option for breakout rooms, and you can pick whatever room you want to go in. But again, this is the room that you were assigned to. So like the room you got an email for. Click the More option in Zoom toolbar and you can join a breakout room. Yes, you can do that as well. Okay, so the people still in the main session, are there any problems? Do you not know what group you're in, or why are we in the main session? Or are you just not here?
I have I
Yeah.
just I finished setting up with Top Hat, and where do I go next?
So for now, you don't have to do any questions because we're done with those. You'll
Okay.
start using Top Hat from the next session. So right now, I believe you're in group 4, so you can
Mhm.
go 4 right now and you'll get to meet your mentor.
Wait, how do I get to group 4?
Okay, so if you look at the toolbar, you know where it says chat and where it says
Mm-hmm.
participants?
Yep.
You should see an option for breakout rooms. If you don't see it, go to an option called More.
Okay. Oh,
If
breakout
you
room.
hit yes, and then click on breakout room 4, and you should be able to go there.
Okay, thank you.
No worries.
Right. 4. Room 4. So room 4, right?
Yes,
Right. Okay, join.
Hello.
yes.
I'm actually quite confused. I thought I was supposed to take the online like sessions. But now I got an email that I am the mentor. So should I like, and my uh Discord is not working properly. Like I'm not getting any updates. Like not the Discord, the Slack account. So I'm not quite sure what to do in the breakout room.
So did you okay, so for now, you did do like an interview to become a mentor, right? I took your interview, so I remember
Ah,
you.
yeah.
Yeah. So, you got an email earlier that says your breakout room number. You can join that room, and for now, you can just get to know the people around you. We can troubleshoot this later, but for today, just try to help them with any questions that they might have. And then, yeah, play some games. Do Scribble.io or I don't know, introductions, what's your favorite ice cream, things like that. Does that make sense?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
no worries. Nathan and Sonia, are there any questions still? It says breakout room not available even after clicking the more option.
Yes.
Hmm.
Hello, sorry, I'm still not seeing the breakout rooms. I don't know if I should go to I should go into Discord, but on Zoom I'm not seeing my breakout room.
So like, do you mean you're not seeing the breakout rooms option?
Yeah,
Okay, so is there like a more option on your toolbar in Zoom?
yeah,
Can you click on that?
yeah.
Do you see a breakout room option now?
No.
No? Okay,
Mm.
that is very weird. Um, I don't think I can put you into a room on my end either, which is very weird. But that's okay. So, if you have any questions, I can just troubleshoot them for you today, but I will make sure that you're in your proper group for the next session. Does that make sense?
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
No worries. But you do know what group you're in, right?
Yes, I know I'm in the group 5.
In group 5? Okay, perfect. So yeah, I'll make sure you're there for the next session. Today's just introduction, so once you join your Discord, you can also do introductions on there, so don't worry about it too much.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries. And then Nathan, do we have any problems?
Hello, I was just trying to figure out how to unmute my mic and I found it now.
Okay, so do you know what group you're in?
No, I just joined in now because I had an appointment and I joined in late.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, no worries. So we just went over the session zero slides. The slides will be available on the Schulich Ignite website, as well
Okay.
as the recording for this whole session. We'll post it on the Schulich Ignite YouTube channel, so you can like look at the YouTube recording to see whatever you missed. But for
Okay.
now, we're just like in our breakout rooms with our mentors. Do you know what group you're in?
Uh,
Like if you've
I,
gotten an email.
I did not see that. Should I check my email?
That's okay. I can search that for you. So you're in group 8, and Faraz is your mentor. So
Okay.
do you know how to join a breakout room?
No, I don't, but I was hearing you guys to click more option, right? The more.
Yeah, yeah,
Then there's an option that says join breakout room.
yeah. Can you join group 8? That's your group number.
Okay. Group 8. Yeah, got it. Should I join in now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Sonia. So we're in the main room. Did you have any problems with signing up for any of the links that we talked about?
No, no, no. I signed up in every link, so for this
Yeah,
one, no.
that's perfect. Perfect. So, um, that sounds good. Do you want to do a little bit of introductions? I can introduce myself first. I can tell you what I do at Schulich Ignite. Wanna go?
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm Mehek, and I'm the VP of Events and the Junior President at Schulich Ignite. And yeah, I've been doing this. I think this is my third year here, second year at
No.
Schulich Ignite. Um, yeah, so I can tell you a little bit about what to find online regarding Schulich Ignite. So if you go onto our website or there's our Instagram account, you will be able to see like all the projects, like previous projects that mentees have done. And they're really cool. So like they go from learning no coding at all to creating like, these super cute little games. So yeah, if you have an Instagram, feel free to check that out. Do you have any questions for me? Like anything at all, like regarding the sessions, what kind of content we'll be doing?
Not for the moment. Not for the moment. It's like I'm really excited to start,
Yeah,
so not
yeah,
for the
that's
moment.
perfect. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna be here. Let me know if you have any questions. Um, if not,
No,
we'll be
no
coming
problem.
back to the main room to have some, end of session uh comments. So yeah, stick around.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Hello, Farah. Is there a problem?
Sorry, I just muted my microphone. Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Is there a reason why you guys came out of the breakout room?
Oh no, I was just waiting for the rest of the students, but currently I'm seeing Sonia joined us just I guess few minutes ago. But I was talking to Nathan and Samra, I guess. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong. But I was just talking with the students and introducing themselves, and I introduced myself and my career. And I'm just waiting for the another students as well.
Okay, yeah, no worries. I would recommend that you go back to your breakout room instead of the main session.
Uh-huh.
Just because this one is getting recorded, so if your mentees are uncomfortable with getting their
Uh-huh.
voices or screen recording, then you should be in the breakout room so that they're more comfortable.
Okay, perfect. It would be it would be great.
So you should be able to join it on your end. Sorry, I don't know, my Zoom is acting up. But again, go to the more option in your toolbar and then join breakout room and whatever group number you were in earlier. Ali?
Yeah, my group mates or my group members, they had to leave, so
Oh, really?
yeah.
That's okay. We'll just hang out in the main room until the rest of them return. They should be returning in like around 5 minutes. So,
Okay. Also for our group, are we
mhm.
are we supposed to have more people or is it
Uh,
just this session? I think some of them might have not joined.
yeah, so we have signups, but like some of them sometimes don't show up, sometimes
Uh
they miss a few sessions, so like it really
yeah.
depends. But yeah, I'll talk about all of this after the session ends, so don't worry about it.
Okay.
So everybody else who's back in the main session, were there any problems or were you like done with the little meet and greet?
Um, I we were kind of done with the little meet and greet, so I just said if there's anything else, feel free to message me, but otherwise, bye bye. I hope that's
Oh,
okay.
yeah. So we only have like a couple end of session comments, I guess, and we'll keep reading if we have any other questions regarding the sessions. But yeah, that should be okay.
All right.
Sorry, Mark, I just have a quick question. When are we going to start the sessions?
So the sessions start next week on Saturdays.
Uh-huh. Okay, got it.
So yeah, every Saturday at 12 p.m.
Mm-hmm. And do we need to provide the Zoom link for our members, or what do we need to do?
The mentors don't have to worry about the Zoom links or anything. I'll take care of that on my end. You
Uh-huh.
guys just have to join and then like at every exercise we get during the sessions, you guys will be put into breakout rooms and that's where like you'll solve the exercises with your little group or yeah,
Oh, okay.
troubleshoot any problems. Yeah.
Exactly something like this session.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Perfect.
Is everyone back from the breakout rooms? I think that closed all of them. Or did they accidentally leave the meeting? I hope they didn't do that. Okay. Hey, is everyone back? I'm assuming. Yeah, I think. Okay, I think everyone's back. Great. I'm just gonna finish up our slideshow that we have here. Oops. Can everyone see that? Sorry.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I hope you met your mentors and made a couple friends, maybe. Okay. So this is sort of like we're already towards the end of the session. So before you go, please join the Discord, set up an account for Trinket and I think I had a couple questions regarding Top Hat. So I made a mistake earlier. I opened up the Thursday one. So remember to join the Saturday session. And if I think I'll share the code in the chat later. But please use the Saturday sessions for Top Hat. And if you have more questions, you could go on Discord. And yeah, we're the Saturday session here. So that's sort of the end. Mihak also mentioned the Top Hat code, and Mihak, you mentioned something about certificates. I'm a bit unsure with that.
Yeah, so I can take over for the certificates. So as you guys know, at the end of these sessions, you will be receiving certificates. And I'll mention this, like we'll keep mentioning this as the sessions go on, just as a reminder. But we have 3 tiers to the certificates. So the very basic one is Ignite Warriors. So to get the Warrior certificate, you just have to attend 6 out of 8 sessions and you'll get that certificate. You don't have to do anything else for that. The second level is Ignite Champions, I believe. So with Ignite Champions, you basically have to attend 6 out of 8 sessions. And for all the sessions that you attended, you have to do the homework assignments. And then we have the highest level, Ignite Legends, I believe. So with Ignite Legends, you'll have to attend 6 out of 8 sessions. You'll have to do the homework assignments. You'll have to do the final project, which is your mini game, and you'll have to attend the gala. You don't have to present at the gala, you just have to like be there. So yeah, that was the tiered certificates.
Yeah, thanks for that. So I really hope. Oh,
Is there any
yeah.
homework for this session? No, there's no homework. This was just a meet and greet. Oh, what is the gala? So I can take over for that. So the gala is basically, I believe we had a slide on this, but it's where you can, if you choose to, present your final projects to industry speakers. So in the past, we've had industry speakers from Google, Benevity, AMD. So yeah, it's like a chance, it's like a little introduction to hackathons, kind of like how do you present your technical projects. What if we do everything, but we can't attend the gala because we live somewhere else? So for the gala, there will be an online option. You don't have to be in Calgary. You can also join online, so don't worry about that. So I believe that is the end of session. Adrian, if you have any other comments, feel free to take over.
Nothing in particular. There was a mix up with Top Hat. Remember the Saturday sessions, and please get signed up on Trinket so we could immediately start on Saturday. But yeah, that's it. Any other questions before we go? Any questions? I'm taking that as a no. And you can stay here for a bit. We could answer any pertinent questions, but I think this is the end of the session, and yeah, we'll see you next week.
To all the mentors, please stay around. We will have a debrief after this.
Yep. See you guys. Have a good Sunday.
Did we answer the other Top Hat questions? There's no other questions for now. So for today, it was again just like a little meet and greet questions to give you a hint of like how Top Hat works. If you didn't answer those, that's okay. We will start the actual questions the next session.